So what good is it to round numbers? Here is where it comes in handy. We can estimate things, okay? We can use rounded numbers in estimation, in calculations where we don't need to calculate exactly. Here's an example. Matthew collected 28 sticks and Mia collected 52. About how many more sticks does Mia have than Matthew? So if we are not needing to know exactly how many sticks more Matthew has, then we can use rounded numbers to calculate with. And that's called estimation. Okay, is it a nice game, Matthew? Yeah, a game outside that he played with Mia. So we'll take 28 and round it to the nearest 10. And 28 is real close to 30, right? And we take 52 and round it to the nearest 10. And that's just a little bit over 50, a little bit more than 50, so it rounds to 50. Now we look at the 30 and 50, they are easy numbers to work with. So it's easy to see that Mia collected 20 more sticks than Matthew. I should say, Mia collected about 20 more sticks than Matthew. Now, since these are two-digit numbers, you can probably figure it out. Exactly how many more sticks did she collect? Since this is 2 less than 30, this is 2 more than 50, it would be 24 more sticks if we were to be exact. Okay, I hope this was helpful.